For our YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about motor ratings are expressed as kilowatt and alternator or transformer in kilowatt ampere. Why? What is the reason behind it? So let's have a discussion about this topic. Reason is we also know this volt is not same as watt, both are different. Volt ampere is unit of measurement of apparent power. We know that apparent power is input power, which is the product of supply voltage and load current. And watt on other hand is a unit of measurement of true power, which is the product of supply voltage, load current or power factor of load. Volt they can apparent power measured in supply product of supply voltage and load. Here the watt there will be true power, means supply voltage, load, power factor of load. And the reason for that a motor is rated in watt is not in watt ampere, because is the reason is firstly it is in a phase component of load, while reactive component provides magnetic field. The in phase component of current multiplied by supply voltage is true power, it is in watt. Secondly, mechanical load of motor, it is expressed in watt. So it makes a sense that output power of motor is expressed in watt. So the two can be matched. Means first we can say in phase component of load, which is reactive component provides magnetic field. So in phase component multiplied by supply voltage will be true power. Secondly, mechanical load of a motor, that is output, is measured in watt and all. So that makes a complete sense. So that two can be matched. Then other as a transformer on other hand represented or alternator is represented kilowatt ampere. Why it is so means according to the product of rated voltage and rated current. In other words, in terms we can say apparent power in volt, it is expressed in volt ampere or kilowatt ampere. This is because transformer design has no way to understand what type of load, resistive, inductive, or whether it's capacitor it is going to connect it to the transformer. So he can only think about the worst case scenario, so that winding maximum load which can be withstand, maximum heat it can withstand. After that it will get overheated. So the only way that he can do to do in the worst case, to avoid the worst case in scenario, is to specify the maximum rated current, which is applied by rated voltage resulting in volt ampere, not on watt. Kilowatt is actually the output mechanical power of motor, and it is expressed in kilowatt. So kilowatt ampere it will be the net power input to transformer, that means total input to transformer. This input power is the output plus losses, that means kilowatt will be kilowatt ampere into system power factor. System power factor means here efficiency of that machine. So this is the difference between motor ratings, we express it in kilowatt, and for transformer or alternator we call the its unit as kilowatt ampere. Thank you.